Welcome to my channel. Here is a quick walkthrough of an ocean suite on the Carnival Venezia, specifically room 7231. Here is a quick overview as you walk in. On your right you have the closets. Center is the room, and to the left is the bathroom. So first off, we'll go look into the room. As we come in, we got invited to a special event, a Sailaway party, because it is a suite, I guess. But you have a little vanity type thing, a little table with a nice bucket. To the right, you have the phone. I always worry about plug-ins, so you have a 220, you have 110s, and you have some USB. You have a chair, drawers with a blow dryer, and then the room. Here is the room. You have a nightstand with a light switch, little cubby hole. I got my ducks in there right now. You have two USB ports. You have a bed that can split, big enough for furniture underneath. That's where we got our furniture stored right now. You have some light switches. Turn the lights on and off. On the other side of the bed, you have another bed stand or bedside table with storage, another light, and no USB ports on this side. So they're only on one side of the bed. Looks like you have an ottoman couch. I don't know if it pulls out or not. You have a little coffee table, and you have the TV in the corner. And here is your fridge. And you have a little slidey thing for some more storage. Slides from both sides. The TV can swing out so you can watch it in bed. And let's go outside. Here is the balcony. It is a little bit larger than a standard balcony. And then going back in, as we're going, here is the bathroom. This is a nice bathroom. It has two sinks. I brought the soft soap. So one of my tips, I like to bring the soft soap because I don't like to use the bar soap to wash my hands. Has a little bit of storage underneath the sink. Has little shelves on the sides, a little mirror, magnifying mirror. And in the suite you have a tub with jets. You get shampoo and shower gel, in case you're curious about that. Typical handheld shower. But what I like is you have a glass door, so the curtain's not going to be sticking to you while you're trying to shower. So this is really nice. Typical toilet. And then on the other side is the storage. So you got a full-length mirror. And then you have the closet with shelves. Oh, I forgot. In suites you do get bathrobes. And looks like you get slippers too. Not to keep, you can use them during the cruise. The other side you have a couple more shelves. You got your safe. You got your life jackets. And that looks to be it. I don't think this side opens, so that's it. You get a little bit more shelving space. Actually, it's about the same. It's separated. You get a full-length mirror. But that is the ocean suite on the Carnival Venezia. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And maybe one day I'll run into you guys on a cruise. Bye. So this is a regular balcony, just to give you guys a reference. Still nice. I'd be happy with this. I'd be happy with this room. Here's the bathroom. Just to give you an idea. One sink. Still has a glass wall. And here is an interior room. I like the ocean view or the balconies because they have a couch. Here's the interior bathroom. But interior, no couch. I like the ocean view and balconies because they usually have a couch, a little bit bigger. Why? Okay. And that is a quick summary of all the rooms in this little area. Ocean view, or a balcony, the balcony suite, or ocean view suite, and the interior. So, all right, so one thing I didn't mention when I was doing like my walkthrough of the room is this ship has quite a bit of USB ports per se. They have 2 here, and they have 2 here, so that's 4, which is more than most ships, at least the ones I've been on, because I go on the older ships. So I bought this Anchor like charging block, and I've never had any issues. Like, it hasn't been confiscated, told I can't use it, anything like that. And so with this, everything I have is charged by USB-C. I have 3 USB ports and then 3 USB-C ports, and I can charge, you know, multiple items. I can charge my phone, I can charge my camera, I can charge extra batteries, I can charge my, you know, my battery pack. I can even charge my MacBook with the 30-watt port. So this is something that I always bring on every cruise, and it's a lifesaver, especially on older ships that only have like 1 USB, if they even have a USB, or like 1 USB or a 110 outlet. So that was one of my must-dos. One of the new things that I've been doing too is I don't like doing bar soap. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. You know, a lot of the ships, all they have is bar soap. Well, all the ships only have bar soap. So went and bought like a 99-cent soft soap. Now I got liquid soap.